Welcome to Career TV. On this episode, I have my friend Jyoti Veeramani. Jyoti is actually born and brought up where? In India. But I want you to explain who you are and your background and all. Jyoti, welcome to Career TV.
Thank you, Sumi. I'm so excited to be here. I was born in Thrissur, but I was raised in Mumbai.
So you are introduced to both sides of the cuisine.
South Indian and North Indian.
South Indian and North Indian.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Being brought up in Mumbai, Mumbai is a very cosmopolitan place. So you end up learning different varieties of dishes from different states of India.
So you're going to be making tamarind.
Yeah, the sweet chutney that is needed for this item. So how you do that is, this is what is called tamarind.
Okay.
You get this in this form from the store. So I have taken half of it, and what you need to do is you have to soak this in hot water and or boiling water. If you want to make it instantly, then boil it in water, but you could do it overnight if you're planning this for next day. Just soak it in hot water.
So how much of a quantity comes here? How big is it usually?
The packet, when you buy it, it is a 7-ounce packet.
7 ounce. So
Yeah.
you're using 3.5 ounce of it
in this.
In this. Okay.
So when you soak it in hot water, it looks like this.
Okay.
And it starts to become very pulpy. And what you need to do is remove the pulp. So what I do is take a sieve or a strainer or colander like this, and I just put it in there, and I just move my hands around, and the pulp comes out.
Okay.
And it comes out in this form.
Oh, okay.
So all these other things and the seeds, etc., is taken away, which you don't need in the chutney.
Okay. So how long can you keep it in the fridge like this, or do you need to make it into this form and then?
Yeah, you can keep it in this form too, but you do need to make it into a sweet chutney by adding jaggery into
Jaggery.
it. So this is how jaggery is bought. It is in a rock form like this. It looks like this. And you have to, what I do is put it in the microwave for maybe 45 seconds. It kind of warms up, and then it's easy to just kind of disintegrate.
Right.
And so it comes out in this form.
Okay.
Like
So
a
how
powder.
much of it are you going to use?
So I usually take equal quantity. So if
Okay.
you take 1 cup of this pulp, I take 1 cup of the jaggery.
Okay. So usually the jaggery comes in a golden brown color or even black color, right?
Yes, and
so
I-
why is yours a white color one?
I asked that to the storekeeper too. Why is it white in color? And it's different brands
Oh.
look different.
Oh.
But once you add this into that, the final product looks like this.
Okay.
And this is what the chutney looks like. I also add roasted cumin powder, coriander powder, and some cayenne pepper when I blend all of this together. So
How
I-
much of it as in quantity?
So cayenne pepper is again, cayenne pepper is again your choice. If you want it spicy, add more. For this I have put about 1/4 to half a teaspoon. This is about half a teaspoon.
And coriander powder.
Yes,
Okay.
and roasted cumin, how you roast the cumin is, you get cumin seeds in this form,
Right.
and you just put it in a pan and just kind of toast it. It starts to splutter,
Right.
and it takes a different, and you can smell the aroma, and that's when you shut the stove, let it cool down, and you just grind it in a dry grinder.
Can
And
that be in a? Can we store that in
Yes.
an air container?
Yes, you can
Airtight?
store it for a long time.
Okay. What do you use the jeera for, the cumin for? What are the spice? I mean, dishes that you use this for?
This one, the roasted cumin is used mainly for the street food items, which is called chaat,
Okay.
and that is what we use it for. But otherwise, we use cumin seeds in its form as is, just to season different dishes.
Okay. So
Yeah.
this is actually a tamarind, a sweet chutney.
Sweet chutney.
Sweet chutney.
Sweet chutney.
Thank you. So let's take a look at how the
Hot chutney. The green chutney.
Make cilantro chutney. Okay.
Cilantro chutney, also known as the spicy chutney. The green chutney for chaat items.
Okay.
So this is 1 bunch of cilantro I have chopped. I've taken 2 Asian peppers, or Thai chili they are called. They're very spicy. And this maybe half a tablespoon of ginger chopped,
Okay.
and I have salt, and spices are cayenne pepper, again optional as much as you want, because you also have the Thai chili, and this is called mango powder, known as amchur. This is used to make dishes tart. So that is it is used for this chutney. You can substitute it and use lime juice or lemon juice. This is the roasted cumin powder, the asafoetida that I had mentioned earlier, so, and salt.
Salt to
So
taste.
I take all of this and I put it in a blender and blend it, and then this is what the chutney will look like.
Okay. Perfect.
A bit thick and used
Spicy?
for tangy. Yes, spicy depending on how many of these guys you put in there
Okay.
and how much of cayenne pepper you put in there.
Alright. Alright.
Yeah.
Well, I want to thank you, Jyoti, so much for going above and beyond to make this beautiful entrees for us. And it's, I know it's the authentic version itself, because you wouldn't do it any other way. And you have went through to make the garlic paste from scratch, and even all the spices. I want to thank you so much for spending time with Curry TV. And I want to see, we will see more of you.
Yes, of course.
Definitely.
Yes, of course. I'll be happy to show you more dishes
Very
so
good.
that you can enjoy it with your family.
Right. We want to thank each and every one of you for tuning into Curry TV. We'll see you next time. Thank you.